Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram.
Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math, especially triangles. We will discuss concepts of trigonometry and solve some example problems. For SAT Math, you need to know about 2 special triangles, 45-45-90 and 30-60-90. In 45-45-90 triangle, side ratios are 1, 1, and root 2. In 30-60-90 triangle, side ratios are root 3, 1, and 2. Now let's learn about some important concepts of trigonometry. You might have heard of SOHCAHTOA, which is a short form to remember what sine, cosine, and tan stands for. Sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Therefore, it is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent, as it is reciprocal of cosine theta. Cotangent theta is adjacent over opposite, as it is reciprocal of tan theta.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Let's take a look at another problem. We are given 3 tangential circles and length of BO. They want us to find area of one of these circles. In order to find area, it might be helpful to find the radius of these circles. So let's connect A, B, and C and label all the radii. It turns out that all the sides are 2R, and therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle A, B, and C must be 60 degrees. Since BO divides triangle ABC into 2 equal halves, therefore triangle ABO is a 30-60-90 triangle. Therefore, sides of triangle ABO must be in the ratio 1, 2, and root 3. We know that AB is 2R and AO is R. Therefore, BO must be root 3 times R. As we already know BO is 18, we can put root 3R equal to 18 and calculate R as 18 divided by root 3. Now, we can easily calculate area of one of these circles as pi r square. Pi times 18 over root 3 square, which will give us 108 pi. Let's take a look at another problem. We are given that PR is tangential to the circle, and length of the radius is 3 units. We are also provided measure of angle RCS as 135. They want us to figure out side length of SP. Let's find some angles first. Angle RCS is 135, therefore angle RCP is 45 degree, as these two are linear pair. Angle R should be 90 degree, as radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Now we can easily find angle P by subtracting the sum of 90 and 45 from 180, and it will turn out to be 45 degrees. It turns out that triangle PRC is a 45-45-90 triangle. Therefore, its side ratios must be 1, 1, and root 2, or in this case, 3, 3, and 3 root 2. From this information, we can easily find side length of SP as SC plus CP, or 3 plus 3 root 2. I hope this lesson was helpful to you in clarifying the concepts and practicing some useful problems.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.